Good afternoon, everybody. Dwoodog back at you. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, Wednesday, July 3rd, 2024. We got the Z412. I think that's what it is. Yep, Kubota Z412. Zero turn mower out. And we're going to sharpen the blades on it now. The whole point of a finish mower is not to be in rough, ugly grass or your backfield or something like that, or hitting a lot of old junk, rocks, pop cans, crap out in the field. You wouldn't use this for the first time mowing an abandoned field. That's where you'd use like your brush hog or flail mower or something like that, something that can take abuse. This is like for nice, clean mowing, good looking yard, keeping it good looking. And one of the best ways to do that is have nice sharp blades, so the blades don't just rip the grass. They actually cut it like scissors. Nice clean cut. And in order to get a clean cut, we got to have sharp blades. No two ways about it. So that's what we're going to do today. We are going to sharpen the blades. Let's get at it. Always helps to label stuff, Z412 blades, because you might be looking at this thing and you're like, what the heck was this for again? And then you put it somewhere and you're like, oh yeah, I kind of need that more often than once and never. I had to get my smaller impact. Okay. I advise that when you take these off, you take note of what way everything went on. You do want to put on your proper PPE when you're doing this. Don't muck around. Let's fix this. Okay. Clean the blade up a bit first. Let me go grab my file. Okay guys, this part is optional. If you want to file it a little bit just to get it looking, super skookum, go for it. I'll give it a little go. Okay. And a little more tighter. It's not going anywhere. All right. You can see what we're doing a whole lot better here. It doesn't have to be super duper sharp, but it's got to be reasonable. Alright, just flip her over just to get that burr off of there. Yeah, I'm good with that. I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see what I've done here. Kind of looks like a monkey's breakfast in a way, but it's sharp. Probably be better to use the flapper disc on the sander, to be honest. But this is okay. Come on. Come on, scoot him, buddy. Oh, don't tell me this thing is so full of grass and shit. All right, looks good. One last thing we got to do, make sure we're balanced, although we hardly took any off, man. It's not like we're not going to be. But looks okay to me. Okay, my suggestion now is what we do is we clean up these bolts. I think I've got a little container around. Yeah, I can dump a little bit of gas in it. All right, we just got a little bit of petrol here. We'll dump our bits and bobs in there. Let them soak for a few. And put some gloves on just to save my fingers from getting trashed here. You know, guys, I've sank about 6-7 months now into figuring out Final Cut Pro, and I'm debating whether I want to switch to DaVinci or not. But I'm like, you know, my video editing needs are so dang simple that is it really worth the switch? Like, am I just doing something that's more hassle than it's worth? Man, I don't know. Really got to let these soak overnight, man. Because this dump on here is just baked on. But I don't have that kind of time or patience. I suppose I could wire wheel it, but I don't really feel like doing that. But you can definitely see these washers are cupped. And the cup part, like this part, Make sure you can see what I'm doing. This part goes up. So you gotta make sure you pay attention to what you're doing. I thought there was 2 of these cuppy washers. Oh, there is. Just the water was so cloudy and dirty I couldn't see the other one hiding. Maybe during the winter I'll take the blades off and tidy it all up. I'm just wondering if I should just let these soak overnight, man. Would it really hurt? And then they'll probably come way cleaner. Let's do that. Let's just let them soak overnight. Put some more gas in here. I'm just giving this a quick wipe down. There's no point going full gorilla on cleaning dump yet. Because we're going to be mowing the grass a few more times and it's going to get dusty under here. Okay. We'll leave it at that, guys. We'll pick this up tomorrow when we put the blades back on. And I'm not going to do, I might scrape a little bit under here. We'll see. Undercoating, red paint I put on last fall. How's it holding? It's already starting to wear off, and I've only mowed the grass 2 times.